This is the first section of our intermediate QGIS course. This is the video of GeoPackage versus shapefile. We'll talk about the advantage and disadvantages between these two formats. In section 2, we will discuss about how to exporting shapefile into GeoPackage, and of course, before we exporting shapefile to GeoPackage, we need to create a new GeoPackage. This is how the process of creating new GeoPackage and export some shapefiles into GeoPackage. And the second subsection, that is 2.2, we have change attribute or field names, which is sometimes we don't like the field name, we can change it. Okay, that is for section 2. Thank you. In section 3, we have processing Excel data into GeoPackage, and we will analyze simple Excel files here, and then we open it. And first, we export the Excel file to CSV and plot them into QGIS software. And the next, we have 3.2, the geocoding process for mislocated point. We will put to the right place, not exactly, but we will use the geocoding technique. And the last, that we will compare field names or attribute names that created for a single CSV or spreadsheet. We will see that some names of the attribute will be cut off in a shapefile, but it is complete without cut off in GeoPackage. Thank you. In section 4, first we will fix the wrong data type. So it is like monthly or annual. This is the string data type, but it is wrong. It should be the integer or numeric. So here we will fix them from the string data type to integer data type. And next we will create a thematic map from the gender, business type, and business asset. And then in 4.3, we will create choropleth spatial modeling from the numeric or integer field or attribute. And next, in sub in section 5, we will first design the layout for gender thematic. Okay, and then we design for business type, also thematic, and then we design for business duration. So everything is based on the string field data type. And the last, we design layout for business asset. And next, we will export this layout into JPEGs. And then we'll export these layouts to PDF. In section 6, we will create layout for choropleth spatial modeling, and we have separated these 3 different QGIS projects. They are age, monthly income, and annually income. They are the same way to spatially modeling choropleth. There is graduate, cluster heat map, graduate, cluster heat map, and graduate cluster heat map. Okay, for example, this is for cluster, this is for heat map. The same like monthly income cluster, monthly annual income graduated, and annual income heat map. And the last, don't forget to export layout into JPEG. In this case, we are using project QGIS from H. And for the rest, like monthly income and annual income, I suggest you to do by yourself for practicing and for exercising. Okay, and thank you.